Hey, what's up guys, we are back again with another video. So today's video will be regarding how we can take screenshot in the iPhone 12 Pro Max, which is basically an amazing device. So there are going to be three different methods we are going to discuss in that particular video, so do check out them. So starting from the first method, it is going to be really simple. You just need to press the power and the volume button simultaneously in order to take the screenshot. Here I'm going to demonstrate. I'm just going to press both of these buttons simultaneously and you can take the screenshot. Here you can see I'm taking the screenshot by just pressing them simultaneously, and easily you can take the screenshot. So guys, the second method is really simple as well. You just need to double tap on the back side and you can take the screenshot in your iPhone 12 Pro Max. So here we go. I'm just double tapping on the back side and the screenshot can be taken easily. Here you can see I'm just tapping it and it's taking the screenshot. This method is really simple as well. You can take the screenshot using that method. So guys, the last method is also really simple. You just need to open up your setting, scroll down towards the accessibility, open up the touch panel, and here you will find out assistive touch option. Turn it on and there is going to be a circular assistive touch is going to be available. You just need to tap on that, and in here open up devices and move towards the more option, and here will you find out the option for screenshot. You just need to press it up and you can take the screenshot quite easily using that particular method. So guys, these are the three methods through which you can take the screenshot on your device. I hope this video has helped you out in some way. If you like this video, do consider subscribing my channel for daily tech videos. Some amazing content is planned for this year. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Peace.